Welcome to the first episode on getting started with HTML. So to start off, I'm at the brackets website. This is what we're going to be using to write HTML in. So this will also give us a quick example of what HTML is. So if you right click on any web page, you can do view page source. And this will come up. This is all HTML. This is what it looks like. So it consists of tags. So this is an HTML tag. And in this case, it's the open head tag and the close head tag. So HTML just has a lot of different tags that we're going to go through, and anything in between them is part of it. So open head, everything in here is in the head tag, and then close. Similarly with body, open body, and somewhere down here should be close body. But we'll get into that one by one. So I'm going to trust that you can download and install brackets. I already have it done. If you need help, just let me know. So first things first, you have to make your web page. So all you do is you go to any folder you want it to be in. You go new. I just do text document. Technically, it can be anything. Highlight it all and do index.html. It's going to warn you that if you change the extension, it might become unusable. Just say yes. And so what index means is when the browser, such as Chrome, goes into your website, this is what it's going to look for. And index.html is basically your front page. It's what the browser is going to go to first. So now that we have this, if we open it, see it opens in, I have Microsoft Edge, and you can see it's just completely blank. So now we can open with brackets. And here's where we can start writing our HTML. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type open bracket, exclamation point, doc type, HTML. Now this is an example of one that does not need a close. This is just telling the browser what kind of file you're looking at. Next tag is the HTML tag. This will wrap every other tag you write. This encompasses all of your HTML. This is basically the root element. It's required, you have to have it. Next up is the head tag. This is really information about the web page. It's not really what you see. It's more helping the browser search for your site and specifying like the character set you're using. And also down the line, links to your CSS sheets and others. So inside the head tag, you're going to do a title. Now, I'm going to click on this little button. It's the live preview. So this will let me see my changes as I make them. So inside your head, you have a title. The title is basically what is up here. So if I type my web page in the title tag, you can see that up here it changes to my web page. We're just going to move on for now. We'll revisit this a little later. Next up, the body tag. So the body is everything in here. It's wall to wall, top to bottom, everything that's white. Inside the body, you have a header, open and close. You have a main, and you have a footer. Now what these do is basically section off your body. So the header would be at the top, the main is the middle, and obviously the footer is the bottom. And just like that, that is the basics of your web page. Anytime you make a new web page, you're basically going to write the same thing. So now that we're ready to go, tune in for the next episode. I know this was really short, but I honestly prefer shorter tutorials. Next up, we're going to go and learn how to put elements onto the page.